Hello, Serenity Seekers. It's time to relax your mind and discover your glow. If it's your first time here, welcome. Or if you are a loyal subscriber, welcome back to your sanctuary of sound and silence. Settle in and prepare to soothe your soul. You're in the Rhythm and Glow Serenity Sessions. Welcome to our mindful walking meditation. This session is designed to connect you deeply with the act of walking, turning it into a meditative and mindful experience. Whether you're walking in your neighborhood, a park, even around your home, let this practice guide you to a state of awareness and peace. Begin by standing still for a moment. Place your feet firmly on the ground, shoulder width apart. Feel the solid earth beneath you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your body relax. Now start to walk at a slower pace than usual. With each step, fully experience the sensation of lifting your foot, moving it forward and placing it back down. Notice the subtle movements in your legs, your feet, and the rest of your body as you walk. Pay attention to your breath. Try to synchronize your steps with your breathing if you can. Inhale for 3 steps. Hold for 1. And exhale for 3 steps. Let the rhythm of your breathing guide your pace. As you walk, engage your senses fully. What do you see around you? Perhaps the changing colours of the sky, the architecture, or the trees and plants you pass. Take it all in. What sounds do you hear? Maybe it's the birds, the wind, distant traffic, the sound of your own footsteps. Or maybe you're fully connecting with the soft, lo-fi beat playing in the background. Allow these sounds to anchor you in the present moment. Feel the air on your skin. Is it cool? Warm? Still? Or moving? Each sensation brings you closer to this moment, to your environment. If your mind starts to wander to other thoughts or concerns, gently bring your attention back to the act of walking and breathing. This is where you are right now. Notice if any areas of your body feel tight or tense. Use your exhale to release any tension. With each step, let go of stress, letting it flow out and away with your movements. Feel the connection between your body, your breath, and your surroundings. Each step is an opportunity to be fully alive, fully present. Continue to observe the world around you. I will be quiet now and allow the music to carry you on for the rest of your walk. Remember to stay present in the moment. Begin to slow your walk gradually. Come to a gentle stop and stand quietly for a moment. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Reflect on this experience. How do you feel? What has changed about your state of mind from before you began this walk? Thank you for joining us on this mindful walking meditation. Remember, this practice is a tool that you can carry with you wherever you go. Whenever you walk, you have the opportunity to practice mindfulness. If you found value in today's meditation, please give us a like to let us know. Your support helps us continue to bring these peaceful moments to you and others. Don't forget to subscribe to Rhythm and Glow and hit the notification bell so you never miss a session. Join our community and be the first to access new meditations that help you maintain your rhythm and enhance your glow. Explore more meditations and lo-fi sessions on our channel to find your perfect relaxation soundtrack. Whether you're looking for a morning energizer, a quick midday reset, or a deep evening relaxation, we're here to help you find your calm. Thank you for being part of the Rhythm and Glow community. Until next time, keep finding your glow, peace, and serenity.